For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
The SHOWKOO Luggage Set's 3-piece Hardside expandable suitcase with double spinner wheels and TSA lock in blue, this one's the 5-piece version, is something I personally used on multiple trips, and let me tell you, it's made travel a lot easier. You're getting a complete 5-piece set here, a 20-inch carry-on, a 24 check suitcase, a 28 large suitcase, plus a weekender duffel bag and a toiletry bag. It's a setup that fits both short weekend trips and longer vacations. On my last 5-day trip to New York, I packed everything in the 24-inch and the duffel, and I still had room to spare, no need to carry a bunch of loose bags. One of the best things is how smoothly it moves. The double spinner wheels and aluminum telescopic handle glide effortlessly. I've rolled it over sidewalks, tiled airport floors, even rough carpet, no dragging, no tipping over. I remember catching a tight layover once, and being able to move fast without feeling like I was hauling bricks helped a lot. Security-wise, it's got a side-mounted TSA lock that you can set with a 3-digit code. That peace of mind when checking in your bags, knowing TSA can inspect without breaking it open, makes a difference. And the hardshell exterior made from thick PC material actually does hold up. Mine got tossed around at baggage claim, and I was expecting scratches, but it still looked clean. Inside, both the 24-inch and 28 are expandable. I used that feature on the way home from a trip where I overshopped, it happens, and expanding the suitcase gave me just enough space without adding another bag. The internal mesh pockets and cross straps also keep everything organized, no more digging through piles of clothes to find socks. The duffel and toiletry bag are water resistant and handy. What's smart is the sleeve on the back of the duffel, it slips right over the suitcase handle. During check-in, it saved me from juggling too many things at once. It's one of those small details that actually make travel easier. If you travel a lot or occasionally just like me, and you're tired of mismatched or cheap luggage, this SHOWKOO set is worth checking out. It's not just about the features, it's about how it holds up in real-life situations. And from my experience, it really does.